here of Critterosity, and I'm in the Critterosity studio, and in front of me we have a yumetwins box. Yeah, let's check it out. Yumetwins, so exciting. Got the box. Here we go. Yes, first of all, let's look at this. This is pretty amazing. It sure is. Do you see the kitties? They got the bubble kitties. It reminds me of donuts and sprinkles. Just from the box, yes. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Cupid's gift. Ooh. Scan me for a surprise. Why are you not doing that right now, Eva? You need to do it right now. What's inside? I don't want to look yet. We're just gonna leave this here for a moment. Okay, first thing I can see in the box. Oh my gosh, it's a letter set, all Sanrio. Okay, this makes my like 1980s heart throb. I would go to the Sanrio store and like literally buy everything. I'm gonna write sweet, sweet notes to all the people I love. When do you not need a letter set? The answer is always. That is the Sanrio letter set. Okay, up next, oh you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys, Pikachu pocket monsters. These are little zipper bags. There's not enough for all of you to get one of these. Maybe I'll use it in like my giveaways or something. No, maybe I'll just keep it all for myself because I'm selfish like that. And they're like BFFs. I don't know, I got nothing. They're zipper gift bags. Hi, can I get more of those? Yes, please. What? Look at that. Look how cute it will look in the studio. It's like the perfect color. Fill it up with some like little trinkets. Multi-use. Whenever I get bowls, stuff like that, I put all different things in it. Okay, I can't even take this. You have to see the awesomeness. It's the Cheery Chums, you guys. Wow! Cuteness alert. You know what? Let me just tilt it right here. And you can have me. Ah! I'm in love with this one. Our heart-shaped accessory holder. So see, they put accessories, not food. Yumetwins, on point. Okay, this one I have to pull because I have to know what it is. A chocolate ball pen. Is this not really to eat? Because this is really hard to resist. Oh my gosh, you guys. It says chocolate all over it, and then look. It's a pan. I'm gonna take this delicious pen. I'm gonna write all of my friends with my little letter set. I'm gonna look at the back of it. Then I'm gonna put it inside this because do you need any answer for why I would do that? But this I'm keeping. This is for me. These I will share with my friends, and this I'm keeping. And look, it's like food is in the bowl without me putting real food in the bowl. Anyway, it's a delicious chocolate ball pen. You can't really eat it, okay? Just be warned. Like an artist could ever have enough pens. And then, wow, it's Hello Kitty. Let's release you. Kid Eva wants to tear it into the bag, but we're not gonna do that. Carefully open. Oh my gosh, she has a little keychain. What won't they think of? It is so soft. Love you, Hello Kitty. She's adorable. What? There's more? It's like a little coin purse. You can like put your coins or your like lip gloss. And this is the Sanrio pouch plushies. That completes our box, but let's open all the goodies. The artwork on this. Okay, get these cute little envelopes, and then look at this cute little letter. Oh, he's got a little bum hole. Look at the little bum hole. I love when these little bum holes. If you know me, you know that I think their little boop boop is the cutest. Now we're down to checking the Cupid's gift guide, and it shares a little bit about each thing, which I absolutely love. There's a photo contest. I'm not even gonna show you. You have to get this to know the cool things to do. Look at this. This means so much to us artists. They have fan art of the month. Hashtag Yumetwins. Hashtag them, do it. And then the Yume prize, every month all of our subscribers are automatically entered. Automatically. That means it's automatic. Just gonna spin now. If you didn't love Pikachu enough, you need this. Don't miss out on special subscribers only features. Not only do they check out fan art, but they love when people take photos and hashtag Yumetwins and be creative and use the stuff you get in the box to take really cool photos and post and share. Are you an artist? Huh. Let me think about that. Share your kawaii art on social media and use the hashtag yumetwins, just like I told you guys, for a chance to have your creations featured. But the only way you can really see that it's featured is if you get the subscription box. So follow yumetwins. This was our February 2020 subscription box. I'm in love. I'm a fan. I love this. I'm going to be adding a code that you can click on to subscribe to their box, and you should check them out. Thanks again, yumetwins. It's got kitties. Just mention the kitties. yumetwins, do it. You'll love it. I want the Pikachu. I want that. How do I do this? It's too much amazingness. What fan art should I do to enter the contest? Right out of it. Those aren't my teeth though. That's the teeth of a very, very small, cute little mouse. If you like my channel, follow, comment, subscribe, do the things.